Hello everyone. Today's our topic is operators. So as we discussed earlier, hello. Okay. So today's topic we will be discussing about operators. As we discussed earlier in sessions related to our data types like integer, float, complex, boolean, and various data types, how to create. We will see more with respect to those data types, how to use and all. But before going into those sessions, we will cover today operators. So what are the operators supported by Python and what are various types of operators we have, we will see. Okay, so suppose in our mathematics we will be seeing regularly, if we define 43 by 3, we will get values like this. When we apply modulus operator, it will be coming as 2 positive number. So when we are dividing with negative number with positive number, we are getting negative, but when we are applying modulus operator, we are getting a positive number. Why it is getting positive number after applying modulus operator? We will see in today's session all these very important topics. Okay, so what are the operators supported by Python? We will see today. First, arithmetic operators. So what are arithmetic operators? We have like plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operator. So power, we have power, and we have double slash, it is also called floor division. We will see that. So this is one type of operators. After this we have comparison operators. So when it comes to comparison operators, we have is equal to same as, okay, greater than or is equal to, less than or is equal to, not equal to, and slash is equal to. And less than also comparison operators. So when it comes to other type of operators like assignment operators, is equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, star is equal to, slash is equal to, percent is equal to, star is equal to, like this. And another operator type is logical operator. So and or not, we will get and another one is we have more identity operators. Here is not. And there is another one called membership operators actually. Membership operators. Not it. So these are how to use them. We will see. When it comes to assign arithmetic operators, suppose we have defined a variable a is equal to 100, b is equal to 100. So applying arithmetic operators like addition, so a plus b, we will get addition. So when it comes to negative, b minus a. Okay. So similar to this, b by a, if we apply, we will get 5.0. So this is where Python has another operator, so double slash. If you apply this, we will not get decimal values, so we will get exactly correct value. Like suppose if you have 65 divided by 3, if you say 21.666 will, but when it comes to 65 double slash 3, we will get without decimal values. Okay. So we have a default function power actually. So power of 3 comma 4, if you say, so it is nothing but 3 into 3 power of 3 comma 4, if you say, this is nothing but 3 we have to multiply 4 times. When it comes to power, we can use the operator 3 power 4 like this. Okay, so same we can apply 3 power 4 like this. Okay, so similarly when it comes to another operator 45 modulus 3. What is this? What is happening here? 45 modulus 3 is 45. So we will be dividing 45 with 3 actually. So in this case, remainder whatever it will be coming, this will be 15. So here 45 and the remainder will be 0. Okay. So the remainder, it will be received using modulus operator. Okay. So whatever this value we will be getting using 45 slash 3, if we say, we will get this value. Okay. When it comes to remainder, we will get using modulus operator. Similarly, if you see 25 modulus 3, if you say, we will get 3 8s are 24, remainder is 1. So 8 will be, if we do same thing, 25 slash 3, then we will get 8. Okay. So these are the operators what related to arithmetic operators. So So when it comes to comparison operators, we will see. So these are the comparison operators. Like A we have value, B we have value. So A greater than B, it is false. When it comes to B greater than A, this will give us true, because 500 is greater than 100. 100 is less than 500, so that is the reason we got false. Okay. So similarly, we have these are the other comparison operators, like A is equal to 10, B is equal to 10. In this case, A is equal to B. If you say, that will be true. A not equal to B, if you say, it will be false, because both A and B are 10. Okay. When it comes to, suppose another variable C is equal to 20, we can define. So A not equal to B, if you say, sorry, A not equal to B, if you say, what will happen? False. So same way, A not equal to C, if you say, what will happen? It will be true, because this is 10 not equal to true is 10 not equal to 20 is true. Okay. So these are the operators we are seeing, comparison operators. So still we have some more. A greater than or is equal to C, false. C greater than or is equal to A, then that is true. Okay. Likewise, A less than or is equal to C, C less than or is equal to A. See, A is 10, C is 20, so this is true. When it comes to C less than or equal to A, this is false, because C is 20 and A is 10. So like this we can use comparison operators. When it comes to assignment operators, so here what we are regularly using is one assignment operator for defining any of the objects. P is equal to A we have defined. So this is assignment operator. What is happening here? This whatever A value is there, that will be allocated to P. Okay. So now P is 10. Okay. And A is also 10. So same way, if you apply assignment operators like plus is equal to, okay, what will happen? Plus is equal to, suppose A plus is equal to B, it is nothing but what we can do, A is equal to A plus B, means suppose A is already having 10. Okay. So A is already having 10, B is also having 10. So what will happen? A plus B, 10 plus 10, it will become 20 and it will assign to A again. So A will be overwritten with after applying addition of two variables. So suppose A we have here 10, B we have 10. So A is equal to A plus B we have written. Now A has become 20. So now same thing we can write it as, instead of writing A is equal to A plus B, we can write it as A plus is equal to B. Okay. If you see now, what will happen? A value is 10 already. Sorry, A value is 20 already. B value is 10. So 20 plus 10, 30 it has to come into A. Right? See. So similarly, A is equal to A minus B, if you say, what will happen? 30 minus B is 10. Okay. So now 30 minus 10 is what? 20. So now value of A is 20. Okay. So here A is instead of writing like this, A minus is equal to B, if you say. Okay. So what will happen? A will become 10, because it will be applying A is equal to A minus B here. Okay. So these are the assignment operators, plus and is equal to minus, plus equal to, minus equal to we have seen. Now star equal to, you can see A we have 10, so B we have 10. So A is equal to A B A star B. Now A will become 100. So now A star is equal to B. If you say, what will happen? A equal to A star B. This way, if you see, A is 1000. The same way I will do A slash slash is equal to B. So reverse way, A slash slash B is equal to B. Now A has become 10. This is nothing but what we have done. A is equal to A double slash by B. Now what will happen? 1. Okay. So when it comes to modulus operator, C modulus is equal to B. So here C is what? Now 0. Okay. So reminder, it has come as 0. Suppose we have earlier, as we discussed, this negative values, right? So minus 43 modulus 3, why it has become, if you see this minus 43, see here we got. So here whenever minus values are there, we have to follow, there is a one formula. Okay, suppose A minus what we are doing, this particular formula, how we have got 2, we are saying. Okay, so anyone, either this will be minus or this will be minus, anyone, if we are having minus and applying modulus operator, then we will get unexpected value, not like this one. We will get a different value when it is having minus values. So negative values with the modulus operator, we have to be very careful. So what is happening internally is A is A minus B star floor operator, floor function So this is the function behind any of the negative values. Suppose here if you see minus 43 modulus 3. Okay, so here minus 43 we have minus B is what? We have 3 star floor of A by B, again minus 43 by 3. So usually floor means what will happen? 3 14s are 14 point some value we will get it, right? Because it is negative, right? So when it applies to floor, what will happen? It will come next value. So here for minus 43 it will be like this, and into 3 into, so here we will get 3 14s are 42, but since we are applying a negative value floor, so it will become 15. Okay, sorry, this is minus, already we have minus of 15. So 3 into minus 15, here we will get, this one is 43 minus 45. Sorry. Yeah. So minus into minus 45, here we will get positive 45, here minus 43. So when we apply 45 minus 43, we will get 2. We will see same one here. See here. Suppose if you have minus 10 modulus 3, you can see here what happened. 2 we got it. How we got 2? So minus 10 minus, we are applying 3 star floor of minus 10 divided by 3. Okay. So 3 3s are 9 here. Again 3.333 something we are getting here. So in that case what happens, floor of negative value we are seeing, so minus 3 to it will take minus 4. So in this case minus 4 we will get, minus 4 into 3 minus 12. So again minus into minus 12 we will get plus 12. Here it will become 12 minus 10, we will get 2 value. Okay. Suppose if you want to see floor, then we have to import math actually. Math as m dot floor of minus 10 divided by 3. If you see here we are getting minus 4. For this minus 4 we will get. Okay. So same thing if you apply here, positive means then we will get 3 only. So floor when we apply on negative, next value we will get. So if you want to see for this floor, okay, so 43, then we got minus 50. So when if you apply negative positive value, then we will get 14 only. Okay. So this is one of important concept we need to remember while applying modulus operator with the negative values. Okay. So like this we have now logical operators, and or not. So A we have 1, B we have 10. So suppose if you got A some values where B is equal to true, C is equal to true. In this case B and C, if you say, we will get a true. B or C, if you say true, we will get. So because true and true is true, true or true is true. Okay. Suppose D is equal to false, we will get. So B and D, if you say, so true and false, it will be false. B or D, if you see, so true and false we are given. So in this case, any one true, it will result as a true. Okay. So like this we can see logical operators and or not. So anyways, not B we have true, so not of B, if you say, it will give negative value. Okay. So that is about logical operator, and so we can see is operator. So any object A we have one value, so B we have some one value. Okay. So and we have D. Okay. So B is D, it is false again, because is nothing but one object is the same as another object, so that will compare. So one object is same as another object. In that case, A is an object, or suppose car is one object and pen is an object. Car is pen, so that is true or false, it will be false, like that. So once one value is true and another value is we will get by comparing object, whether that object is true or not, we will get it. So here any of the two objects, suppose it will be coming during object oriented programming. Mostly one object is the same as another object, so that way if we compare, so it will give either true or false. Okay, so if it is not, also is not, so negation to that. So we will see while learning our object oriented programming these concepts. Okay, so in and in, not in. So suppose we have one x is equal to some hello, it is a string. Suppose here we have h already, so h in x, so if it is there, then we will get true. P in x, so it is, sorry, we have to give it as a single quotes. P in x, so P is not there in hello, so that is the reason we got it as false. So like this we have membership operators we will use in loops also, and we will use in some of the mostly we will use with the loops actually. So like this, when comparing when one string or one object is existed in another one value is existed in another value, so that way we will use in operator, and not in also it is a negation to in operator. Okay, so we will learn more about this during in our next sessions. Okay, so if you have any comments or any suggestions, please provide your valuable feedback at so learnnew-it3@gmail.com. so please share us your feedback. Thank you. So for today's session I will be stopping. Thank you.